Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, airdrop, crypto news, everything in the crypto space. I make videos every day. I review coins, I review tokens, I give you guys my honest opinion about a crypto project. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, honestly, I'm so happy you're watching my channel. You are very much welcome. Currently, we are a growing community where we talk about new crypto projects. We are currently over 2,960 subscribers, and I believe by before the end of today, we are going to hit 3,000 subscribers. So if you are yet to hit that subscribe button, make sure you join us. Hit our subscribe button, join our subscription member, and subscribe to be a member. And that being said, I review coins. I review coins that are doing massive numbers. And one of the biggest gainers on CoinMarketCap today is Uniswap Finance. UNFI. And I noticed this earlier today. When I noticed it, I was like, okay, let me just ignore it and come back later. But I can see that this token is still here. I've done a video on Bitball. You guys can check that out. And Angry Squid, I've not done a video. I'm going to do this after this Uniswap Finance. Let me check if this token is legit, is scam or whatever it is. Because the first thing that struck me about this token was the fact that the name is Uniswap. It reminds me of Uniswap token. I mean Uniswap coin and Uniswap exchange platform, basically, guys. So I noticed that a member of my team has done a video. I mean, written an article on Uniswap since like long time ago. So if you're looking for this token, you should have gone to our website knowledgeGapExpert.com to see what the person wrote about Uniswap Finance. At the time he made this article, the coin was just 1,138% up on CoinMarketCap, and currently this same token has gotten to 4,867% up. So let me review it quickly for people that will not have access to this. Now look at this. There's an information here that Uniswap Finance has migrated to a new contract address, and if it has migrated to a new contract address, then guys, maybe that will be the reason why there's this massive percentage pump. This could be a technical issue or a glitch or a what do you call it, a manipulation, because I've seen something like this happen. And that is one good thing when you're always reviewing tokens like this and stuff. There are some things that you will see happen and you'll be like, oh, I've seen this happen before. There was a token that actually did that kind of massive number, and later we realized that is it um something planet Earth, is it plant safe planet or something like that. But we realized that there was a technical glitch. A lot of people were like, my token pumped to 1 million%, I could not sell it and stuff like that. So guys, let's quickly review this token and let's hope that everything that is about this project is genuine. Now this token is on a watch list of 5,177 people. Currently they've even indicated that this is the Uniswap old token. It is used on the Binance Smart Chain BEP20, and there's another contract address here. This is the Tron. This is built on the Tron network, the Tron blockchain, Tron 20. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to do as much research as I can, because there's a market capitalization of $1.5 million, even though it is not verified. Currently trading on 24 hours volume of 2.7 million, almost $3 million. Yeah, so basically, if this is trading on almost $3 million, it's either somebody has put massive money or people are actually putting a lot of money on this token, which makes it more reason why we should research very carefully on this coin, because the trading volume has increased over 445,410%. What really happened? How can a trading volume just increase just like that? Look at this. Now if you look at this, 7:29 a.m. this was yesterday, this coin was trading at less than $1 million, $813,000 in 24 hours trading volume. And boom, look at the same day by 11 p.m. this coin was trading for over $6 million, and by 12:14 a.m. it was trading for $4.95 million. There's a huge manipulation happening here. Honestly, there's no need for me to go too far. And now, from what I can see here, it is trading for 2.46 $2.6 million, and this is this afternoon around 12. And from the information we are getting here, it is now trading for $2.722 million. Well, guys, I'm going to see what I can see. They said our project will consist of content about the entire blockchain and cryptocurrency world on the internet. Our goal is to develop a secure mobile application that will accurately introduce and explain blockchain and crypto money to world people. Basically, they are trying to say they would teach people and educate people about cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology. Okay, but I think, if people want to learn about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, a lot of YouTubers, a lot of platforms, blogs that have actually done this, and they need to give us some more interesting utility that this their project or this their token is for. The application will contain news, events, blog, forums, and sections. In this way, people will be able to follow the blockchain and cryptocurrency world up to date and accurately within the existing application. People will be informed about the tokens that will be that or that people will be informed about the tokens that are or will be created in the market thanks to advertisement and comment. At the same time, we gather the platform divided into different social media into a single application. Well, this is not, it doesn't hype me or anything, but that is their overview. At least they wrote something for us. I've seen a lot of projects that they don't even give you any overview to look at on CoinMarketCap, e.g. Waka. Let me not cause problem. Right, so let's move forward. I'm going to copy this contract address. Their community, there's a Telegram, there's a Twitter, there's a Reddit. I'm going to open this website in another link and see what's going to come out of it. We are already on the new website. Now, they did not only just change their contract address, they also changed their website. How does this affect? Because if they are upgrading, they are overrunning their system, they should let us know what's going on, because you're informed that they've changed their contract address here to a new contract address, but they say they are on a new website and the new website is not given here, which makes it suspicious. Secondly, I know there's a huge manipulation around this area, the price and everything, and now the contract address makes it, the website makes it suspicious. So I'm going to go to BSC scan to check this contract address. Then I'm going to take this same contract address. Since there's no website to review, I can tell you 100%, not 100, like 70%. There's nothing I can say about this project. I will tell you to rather keep your money to yourself. You would rather not invest in this token, because I don't know why a token like this will not have a contract address. A official website. I'm taking token sniffer. I'm going to go to poolcoin.app, since it's now on the BSC Binance Smart Chain BEP20 network. Let's see what we can get. So from Binance Smart Chain, I'm going to paste this, and boom. Oh, I pasted the wrong thing. Okay, wow, interesting, it came out. Copy contract address. Now this is it, Uniswap Finance UNFI, right? 45 seconds ago, people are actually investing on it. One thing about people is that once they see something is just going on, they will start putting money. They will not research. Later they will come and watch my video and be crying scam. Well, because what I'm seeing here, I would not just quickly go and jump in. I want to put my money because I'm seeing 4,000%, 40,000, 400 and something thousand%. I won't do that. But in the last few minutes, 45 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, people are actually jumping in and they are putting a lot of money in this. And maybe they've seen the huge pump on CoinMarketCap and different platforms, so they just put their money. Look at this person said, I sold full amount of UNFI token and I received no BNB back. How can I retrieve the missing amount? Oh, sorry, please, you can't retrieve anything. This token is a scam. That is my final verdict. This token is a scam. Let me just go to token sniffer to make my conclusion, because why will somebody sell their token and what you promise them they don't get it? Does that make you legit? On the flip side, I most times when a token is on the Binance Smart Chain, I'm always not comfortable with that token, because it's easy for you to create a scam token on Binance Smart Chain. Look at this. They said the token risk is 30/100%. that makes it high risk. This token or this score is 30, which indicates that there is a high risk of it being a scam now or in the future. I did not say this, token sniffer said it. The token is sellable, is not a honeypot. Yes, to buy is less than 5%, to sell is less than 5%. It's a verified contract source. There is no prior similar token. The ownership has renounced sources and does not contain an owner, but I'm sure the liquidity will have problem. Now they said there's an adequate liquidity present of 21.22 BNB. This liquidity is very small, very small, very small. Now they said at least 95% of liquidity is burnt and locked. No, 0.01%. Not enough liquidity locked or burnt, which could allow for significant amounts to be removed, in bracket rug pool. No, this only tests the V2 pool for BNB pair, will not accurately represent the liquidity from other pool pairs. Creator wallet contains less than 5%. There is no adequate liquidity in this token. From the information I've gotten from BSC scan, I'm going to quickly go to our official website knowledgegapexpert.com. Before then, let me just check this token on PoolCoin and see what I can get from it. Now if you go to knowledgegapexpert.com, somebody reviewed this particular token. I'm going to open it in a new tab and tell you guys what the person probably wrote. Now look at this. He said, I woke up to see Uniswap pumping 1,138% of coin market cap, and one thing that struck me is the name. I was thinking it's a cousin to Uniswap Finance and Uniswap. Well, it's actually leveraging the success of Uniswap. Then they moved on to talk about, I'd like you to know that I'm not a financial expert. Yes, I'm also not a financial expert. Every of my opinion is for educational purpose. Please make sure you do your research. Don't just say I said. Do your research, and after you finish your research, you choose if you want to invest or not. Now the person said, developers behind this project, they are not known. The official website is not opening. Yeah, that is something I also noticed. And he said there's something, his personal opinion said there's something about it that doesn't sound right. Like, I also feel that way too. You want to run an online media organization that specializes in blockchain education, and the best name you could think of is Uniswap Finance. Oh, that's true. I didn't even think that. Let's talk about that. Like, how do you want to create an online organization that will educate people about blockchain and finance, and you the only thing that came to your mind is Uniswap? How does Uniswap connect with blockchain and finance? Like, let's think about that. Now it depends on to say, from the coin market cap, you are directed to the website. Like I explained to you guys, the website is not even opening. There's no website that telling you we are already on a new website. If you are on a new website, they said go to new website. Okay, there's even a link to the new website. I didn't see that. Look how little it is. Let me now go to the new website and even see what is on the new website. Thank God I checked this review. I'm going to finish this one. I'll come back and tell you guys what I feel. Now they said what people are saying. Oh, this is why you need to always visit knowledgegapexpert.com. This is a solid review. You wanted to download the white paper, but you couldn't download white paper. Means not the white paper is hidden. Developers are not known. They said what people are saying, reported token is a honeypot, do not buy, these people are fraud. And that is a confirmation of what what's the name of that platform, Token Sniffer, said that if you buy, you will not be able to sell, most likely. And some people are here shouting to the moon, do not buy, you will not be able to sell. Exactly what I told you guys. Somebody said all scams token are created on honeypotcontract.com. They use this type of contract that allow just a specific address. So guys, this token is a scam. He said the conclusion is Uniswap Finance is a scam coin, and the project that uses the name Uniswap to camouflage and deceive newbie token investors. The token has no direction, no utility. That is why I also mentioned the developers are not known. Nothing is clear about the token. If you enjoy this article, comment, share. You guys should show this guy some love. This guy is good at what he does, and I really enjoyed reading this review. Yeah, I think the guy that wrote this one will be Emodi Henry. That Henry is that good when it comes to writing reviews, and a lot of people actually always say that they like Henry's review. Now let's move back to what I was talking about. If we come to the official website, look at this. We will grow together about Tokenomix. You said you want to work on blockchain technology and educate people, but there's nothing on blockchain here that you are teaching people on your official website. This is not. See guys, I don't need to say too much. You guys should know better. That being said, if you want to do any investment, make sure you do your research carefully. Don't forget to actually research properly, because this video is not for, it's not a financial advice, it's an it's for educational purpose, and any investment you make is solely your decision, win or lose. That is that. That being said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content you will not miss out. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.